Hello guys, welcome back to our new lecture, that is cryptographic methods. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about cryptographic methods. As we discussed the types in the previous video, like asymmetric and symmetric key cryptography. It's a bit related to that, but we will go some about deeper in this field, or we can say in the topic or module. So let's get started. So the cryptographic methods can be broadly classified into two categories, like as we discussed that symmetric and asymmetric key cryptography. Additionally, there are some hash functions which play a crucial role in cryptographic systems, like in a symmetric key cryptography there are like two types of data, like we can say algorithms, like data encryption standards DES, advanced encryption standard AES, and triple DES. We can also say that 3 DES, and there is also encryption that is also known as um, bowlfish. So we will discuss that. So in symmetric key cryptography, the same key is used for both the encryption and decryption. The security of this method relies on keeping the key secret, and the algorithms are generally faster and more efficient for processing large amount of data. Like in data encryption standards like DES, are widely used symmetric key algorithms that encrypts the data in 64-bit block using a 56-bit key. It has been largely replaced by more secure algorithms due to vulnerabilities. So let's discuss the advanced key, or we can say advanced encryption standards, that is also known as AES. So a symmetric key algorithm that encrypts the data in 128-bit block by using a key size of 128 and 192 or 256-bit blocks, and or we can say the bits, and it is widely adopted for its high security and efficiency. So let's discuss the triple DES, also known as 3DES. So it is an enhancement of DES that applies the DES algorithm three times to on the each data block. So it provides a higher level of security compared to DES. So that's the triple DES. So let's see the bowlfish, symmetric key that block or zipper that encrypts the data in 64-bit block using variable length keys like 32 or 448 bits, and it is also known for its speed and effectiveness. So let's discuss the another cryptographic method, that is asymmetric key cryptography. As we discussed the asymmetric key cryptography in the previous lecture, so we will not discuss that again. So that contains the three major the algorithms or the encryptions, like RSA, that is reversed Samir and Shamir it is, and Adelman. So an elliptic curve cryptographic and Diffel-Hellman key exchange. So let's discuss the RSA. So it is an asymmetric key algorithm based on the mathematical difficulty of factoring large integers, and it is widely used for data or securing the data transmission and the digital signatures. So let's see the ECC, elliptic curve cryptography. So it is used for we can say the providing some security equivalent to RSA, but with some shorter key length, but it's highly efficient and provide more security or provide strong security. So let's discuss the Diffie-Hellman key exchange, a method it is used for securely exchange of cryptographic keys over a public channel. So it enables the two parties to generate a shared secret key used for not asymmetric but symmetric encryptions. Let's discuss the another method, that is hash function. So hash function procedure has a fixed size hash value or digit, we can say, from the input data of any size. They are primarily used for data integrity verification and digital signatures like MD5, SHA1, SHA2 and SHA3. So let's discuss the MD5, that is also known as Message Digest Algorithm 5. It produce a 128-bit hash value, and it is considered weak and vulnerable to we can say collision, or thus it is not recommended for security and sensitive applications like SHA1, that is also known as secure hash algorithm 1. So it produce 160-bit hash value like MD5, but it is has been found vulnerable to the attacks and being replaced by more secure versions. So the SHA2, that is secure hash algorithm 2, that is a family of hash functions with the output size of 224, 256, 384 and 512 bits. So it provides a stronger security and it is widely used everywhere. So let's discuss the SHA3, and that is the latest member of the secure hash algorithm family that provides security and the performance improvement in its um, pre uh, we can say procedure or pre-procedures. And the other method in cryptography, that is cryptographic technique, so that contains digital signature HMAC, that is known as hashed based MAC message authentication code, and the public key infrastructure like PKL. And let's discuss the digital signature, that uses asymmetric key cryptography to verify the authenticity and integrity of the message or software or digital document. Like example RSA, digital signature, like an DSA, like digital signature algorithm, and that was the part of digital signatures. So let's see the HMAC. So it combines a cryptographic hash function with a secret key to verify data integrity and the authenticity. So there are some example of HMAC. So that is HMAC SHA 256, and the other one I think so, that is HMAC MD5. Yes, MD5 it is. So let's see the public key infrastructure, that is a framework for managing digital certificates and the public key encryption. So it includes the certificate, or we can say certificate authorities, so that issues and verifies the digital certificate. So let's see the practical application, like secure communication, like SSL and TSL protocols uses a asymmetric cryptography for more we can say for securing web browsing. So the other application, that is data protection, like file and disk encryption tool use the symmetric key algorithm to protect the data, as the Windows operating system uses the a disk encryption tool in the that is in the disk management, or we can just right click on the disk in the this PC or my PC, whatever has. and just right click and click on the encrypt or set a bit locker. So the bit locker uses the asymmetric key algorithm to protect the data. So the next application, that is authentication, so that systems use the digital signatures and the certificates to authenticate the users and the device. So when you're applying the BitLocker to a drive, or we can say the partition, so it gives you a security certificate or public key recovery certificate. And not only by the hard drive or the partitions, when you create the password for your Windows, I think in Windows 7 it was also providing you a recovery text with the security certificate. So that was not directly provided to you. You have to just go to the C drive, to the systems, then the system 32, and there was a folder with the name, I don't know the name, but there was the folder which was containing the encryptions. From there you can get the certificate for the screen lock or the profile lock. So the other application, that is blockchain and cryptocurrencies. So cryptographic hash functions and digital signatures ensure the security and the integrity of the blockchain transactions, as there are so many blockchains and the cryptocurrency in this world, or we can say nowadays. So I think more than 1 million there are cryptocurrencies in world. So just a second, I'll show you. So there are some four types of blockchain networks, that is public, private, and the hybrid with the, and also the consortium, something like that. So when we are just we can say transfer the crypto, or just a second. I can't remember these things, so just a second, I'll networks, that is actually, I don't know, just a second, I'm searching that. So it is not available on the Google search, or I don't know what to search about that, but there are some networks like I know the Tron 20 or TRC20 there, and the BNB chain networks. So these are the chains that is the most secure for the transferring the cryptocurrencies online, or that is blockchain transactions. So that uh, that the transactions, when a person transacts some amount of cryptocurrency through the network, like let assume that TRC20 network. So the TRC20 miners, actually they has some ASIC miners or GPU miners. So GPUs and the ASIC miners produce some amount of tera hashes per second. So when they generate some hashes, they got some amount of the money, or amount of the cryptocurrency of which are just mm, transferred from the one network to another network. Like as you can go to Google and search for the miners and how crypto mining works, so it will give some detailed information about that. So that is also a type of cryptography, and that's a basic hash functioning. So cryptographic method from the backbone of modern security system, providing essential tools for protecting information in various applications. So that's it for today's lecture, and thank you for watching this video. Until that, take care and bye.